everyone. My name is Oliver Rajamani, and I'm excited to say that I'm going to be teaching a 1-week workshop on music from around the world for young kids and high school kids in a beautiful town in southern India called Kodaikanal. It's up in the mountains, 8,000 feet high. It's beautiful, green, with waterfalls, trees, and lakes and wildlife and all kinds of things. And you can go hiking and camping, fresh air. This 1-month intensive is being hosted by the Kodaikanal International School, a 125-year-old American school with a global education program. It is a beautiful school with the modern facilities safely tucked away in the beautiful and enchanting mountains. Kodaikanal was established as a town in 1845 by the American and British, mixed in with the indigenous and the ancient Tamil culture. This 1-month intensive is open to any student to take part not only in my 1-week music intensive, but also with other teachers on studies of the native indigenous cultures of the region, environmental studies, and more. It is an amazing opportunity for a young child or teenage high schooler to spend a month in a beautiful place and connect with other kids from around the world. If you are interested, you can contact us or connect directly to KIS School.
Somos la escuela que el mundo necesita.
세계의 필요한 학교.
Мы школа, в которой нуждается мир.
Hami ho biswaletaiko vidyalaya.
Shule ambapo dunia inapotaka.
वो विद्यालय जो दुनिया को चाहिए.
இது உலகிற்கு தேவையான பள்ளி.
A school the world needs.
We are a school the world needs. Únete a nosotros.
Соединяйтесь к нам.
함께해요.
Junge nasi.
Aunus.
Придружите нас.
Join us.
வாருங்க.
आइए हमसे जुड़िए.
Join us.